Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Reckon Classes. First of all, this type of questions come in Cambridge examination, CAT, MAT, GMAT and other type of competitive examinations. So for solving this, we can write 1 upon 2 into 3 equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. So why we can write like this? Because this is equal to LCM is 6 and 3 minus 2. So this is equal to 1 by 6 or equal to 1 upon 2 into 3. So 1 upon 2 by 3 we can write like this, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Similarly, next term we can write next term equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Third one 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 and so on. And last term we can write like this 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10. So in this expression we have minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. Both cancel out. Similarly minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and so on. So we have only 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 10. And this is equal to 10 LCM. So 5 minus 1 and this is equal to 4 by 10 equal to cancel हो जाएगा 2 से, then we have 2 by 5. So answer is 2 by 5. For more interesting questions like this, subscribe my channel and keep learning.